Maria was a stray cat I used to feed. She came only to eat, then vanished again into the streets. But one day, after being gone for so long, she returned pregnant. I prepared a safe place for her, hoping she would choose my home to bring her babies into the world. On June 25, 2025, Maria gave birth to 4 kittens: Nemo, Koi Nila, and Little Salmon. I fed Maria healthy food every day so she could nurse her newborns. But 3 days later, she stopped eating. No matter what we offered: chicken, tuna, milk, she refused. Her body weakened, and on the 5th day, Maria took her last breath. Her 4 babies were left behind, still helpless. We fed them newborn milk every 2 hours, praying they would survive. But one by one, their tiny bodies grew weaker, until only one remained: Salmon, the little fighter who refused to give up. Today, Salmon is strong, playful, and deeply loved. Maria may be gone, but her final gift lives on and will be cherished forever.